What you got there, bud? You got a carrot? That's good. You working hard today? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Did you meet a new dog sitter tonight? Mm-hmm. How'd it go? Did you go a little hanky on her? Mm-hmm. When we're trying to make first impressions? Mm-hmm. 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 Do you think she liked you, though? You think she's going to come back? Is she your new friend? Or is she going to be like, oh, actually, I'm sorry, I'm busy on those dates that you previously asked me about. What do you think? She didn't seem too-faced, huh? She's a professional. We gotta make new friends that we can trust to watch you because Aunt Taty's not always available, you know? I know you love Aunt Tidy, though. You love your marathon trainings, huh? I bet Nicole is gonna take you on marathon trainings. She says she would. When it's not hot out.